What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at the cold steel Tanto Lite. I've been kind of on the fence about this knife. It's a pretty good sized knife overall. It's 11 3/8 inches. This would be an awesome knife if it was really shrunk down to 3-inch blade. That would be that would make with the handle design and everything, that would make an awesome EDC fixed blade. But anyway, I digress. I want to take a look at it, so we are going to get to it. Here is your packaging, and it's 6-inch blade, 11 3/8 overall, 41/16 stainless steel, 6 ounces, blade thickness 4 millimeter, and then the cryo-quenched handle material. Of course, that's very popular with cold steel. Let me figure out how to open this thing. Okay, you just blast it apart. That's one way to do it. Alright, get rid of that. Get rid of that. There's your cold steel. One piece handle material. That's your belt clip. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, very hard. Bang around. Very cool. Retention's nice. It locks right in there really good. Yeah, you can't do that. Can't get it out of there. Yeah, see, oh yeah, this would be like I said, shrink this handle down, shrink the blade down. Oh, this would make an awesome little EDC knife. Yeah, but overall, for its size, man, it's actually really nice. What was this, like $40 or something like that? I don't even, $50, something like that. Looks really nice. Interesting. Yeah, you know, it's supposedly stainless steel, 416. You're debatable. Yeah, feels good. Nice grippy. The handle material is nice and grippy. You know, it's all one piece. It's very grippy. Nice blade. Yeah, razor sharp, of course. Cold steel. The Taiwan facilities are very good at getting that in there. So yeah, German 41/16 stainless steel. Yeah. Oh, that feels really good, man. That really does. You know, the sheath is very unique. You know, I don't absolutely hate it. I kind of like how it is fully encapsulated, and I'm a little concerned about how long that this would last. I don't know. It seems kind of cool. You know, like you could clip it on your belt, and you know, it's got that hook right there, so it's not going to come off easy. This also has a little nail hook. I guess I guess you could hang it from a wall or something if you wanted to keep it around. But yeah, there you guys go. That is the Tanto Lite. I'll carry it around. I'll beat on it maybe a little bit and see how, maybe leave it out in the rain and see if it corrodes any. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty cool for the price. Yeah, that's very nice. There you guys go. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.